Hello everyone, thanks for jumping here back again. Today we're going to be talking about Solana. We're going to be covering mainly Solana and what they are doing in the NFT space, some big institutional money coming in, and of course we're going to be looking at some technical analysis. Now, before we jump into all of this, all I wanted to ask from you is to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, a comment, as it helps us with the algorithm since we are still a small channel. Let's get into this one. So, something very concerning for a lot of Solana holders out there is that the last three candles have been red. They have been bearish. Now, we do have a wick to the downside right here, which usually indicates a reversal in the trend, a shift in the momentum, but it wasn't the case here. We got a second red candle, which in this case indicates that we are dropping further down. We are going to be filling this imbalance and to drop further down, as I said. Now, before we move on to the daily, I really wanted to bring up the KDG, which is a momentum indicator. As you can see it here, I just took it off. So there is a cross to the downside. The orange line went above the blue line, which indicates a downward pressure, which I actually see as possible. And this would take us to the support area at around 160 to 170 US dollar. Now, another reason for this is that if we bring out our EMA ribbon, let me take this off. If we bring out our EMA ribbon, we can see that we are getting far away from it, which means that the level of overextension is rapidly increasing. And what you want to see is some retests for a healthy run and for a healthy milestone, like this one here, for example. Now, since the beginning of August, we haven't retested our EMA ribbon, not for once. So us going back to it, retesting it again before moving to the upside would be great for a healthy run. Now, if you look in the big picture, we are in an uptrend. However, we do have some imbalance coming in, as I said, and this is why we expect us to drop to the accumulation phase. The accumulation phase is below 170 US dollar, and this would require another move of 15%, of around 15% to the downside. This is, in my opinion, the best buy zone, the best accumulation zone for those that missed on Solana in the beginning of this quarter. Now, when we talk about Solana, we usually link it to NFTs. Here we can see Twitter, Discord to support Solana NFT gallery embedded with Audius Web 3.0. What does this mean? NFT holders can embed their collectible from the two biggest blockchains on Twitter, timelines, personal blogs, and websites. Thanks to this new feature, will further push collectibles into the mainstream, and it will look like this. What they are trying to do here is to make NFTs more mainstream, more accessible, to allow creators to show them on their feeds on these two big platforms, Twitter and Discord. Another thing to bring up is the surge of active developers when it comes to Solana. As you can see it right here, ranking of active developer count, Solana in the first place, followed by Ethereum, Elrond, and so on. So Solana contributes more than double Ethereum, while market cap is 13%. So this ranks each ecosystem by the active developers count on it. So as you can see, more developers are coming in Solana, more developers are jumping in. Now, Solana is looking promising on the long term, but I would be more cautious on the short term. Of course, we can expect a move to the upside now, but I would rather just wait to the accumulation zone and this blue line that was our support. So we've held support here with this blue line and we've held it here. So this is an important line. We should hold it and we should drop down to our accumulation phase right here below the level of 170 US dollar. This is, in my opinion, the best accumulation phase, as I said. So overall, Solana is looking girthy, Solana is looking sharp on the long term. On the short term, I would rather be cautious. So this was about it, guys. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe and like it as we post these daily videos. Thanks for sticking up and have a nice day.